You want to know what 147 horsepower and 143 foot-pound of torque looks like? Keep watching. What's going on, boys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while since we've been here. Sun City Harley-Davidson. Today we're going to test ride a beast. Alrighty boys, so that's the shop demo. The boss man's riding that beast around. And he just showed me how to turn traction control off, so this should be a pretty good test ride. I'm sure you already know, but it's a street glide. You know, it's supposed to have a 114, now it's got a 131, so let's go. Alrighty boys, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, don't you just love having something big and powerful between your legs, boys? Tell me I'm wrong. So to turn traction control off, you hold that button down until that light comes on solid. Now it's party time, boys. Have a go with that idle. Sounds like it wants to kill people. I dig it. I dig it. Alrighty boys, let's see if we can spin that wheel, eh? Yeah, that works. That works alright. Yep, pretty good boys. Yep, well done. Good tune, good tune. So that's what 147 horsepower feels like. I gotta tell you, it feels pretty damn good. So anyway, boys, let's get back to business. So today we are riding I'm assuming it's a 2021, I didn't even check, but anyway, it's a street glide. We love them. Batwing fairing, you beauty. Nice touring bike. Just happens that this one's just been bombed to the eyeballs. So the boys put a 131 Screaming Eagle crate motor in this bad boy, but they weren't overly impressed with the power with the standard cam that comes with that kit, so they swapped that bad boy out. If you want to know what they put in there, you'll have to hit them up, because I can't remember. They told me that was like 5 minutes ago. But anyway, the cam that they put in is the same brand as that air cleaner, so if that rings a bell to you, you'll know what I'm talking about. But yeah, when they swapped the cam out, Brent was saying they got about an extra 20 horsepower just from doing that. So this thing has just got torque coming out its bum. 143 foot-pound, that's impressive. It rides nice, the power is smooth, but there's shit tons of it there. So yeah, I like it. First impressions, it's a beast, but it still rides smooth, you know, like if you were going on a decent long trip, you'd have no hesitations jumping on this thing and setting sail. I dig it, but I do love baggers, so I guess that's me getting old, eh? Not gonna lie, I do like the fixed fairing on the road glides a bit better than these, but these are definitely my number two. The last street glide I rode was Brent's white one, and that was ages ago. I did a video on that. Let me know in the comments if you remember that video, if you're a fan of the Harley stuff. But I know most of you are only here for the crabbing and fishing, but this is my other passion, boys. I do love Harleys. So today we're just going to cruise down the Strand, go for a lap around there, maybe stop and have a quick hydration session before taking this bad boy back. And yeah, just enjoy a bit of time on two wheels, a bit of wind therapy, you know. You got to do it every now and then, boys. Clear your head. It's good for your soul. And if you can throw a quick beer in there somewhere, even better. So anyone who is local to Townsville, do yourself a favour and come down and have a look at this thing. It's an absolute beast. It's got a 2-in-1 exhaust on it, and it only comes out one side. It sounds wicked. It's not overly loud, but it has that real boom when you back off. What's that called? I don't know the word for that. It's definitely not diesel pop. I'll show you what I mean. That noise. I like it. it. Alright, here we are down the Strand. Let's see what the water's looking like today, shall we? Looks shit, it's windy as. That makes me feel better. The boat's out of action, boys, so I couldn't have gone fishing today even if I wanted to. Well, I could have taken the little pig out, but that's alright. Seeing shitty weather just reinforces the fact that it's a damn good day to go for a ride. Now, I know these new Harleys, right, they're designed to be super smooth and, you know, not shake your teeth out when you're sitting at a traffic light, but I kind of miss that raw, rumbling, ball shaking twin cam, you know, like this thing makes more power than my bike, but my bike sounds way tougher. I don't know, there's something about it. I can appreciate Milwaukee 8s, but twin cam, that's where my heart is, boys. I love it. So while we're headed over to the old Watermark, has anyone ridden a bike with a 131 in it? Drop a comment if you have, tell me what you thought, because I'm pretty impressed. I would have liked to have ridden it standard before they changed the cams. I suppose you can see the difference on dyno sheets, but it's good to actually, you know, feel it. Yeah, we might pop in there for a quick collie, I reckon, boys. No pole position today. Oh yeah, this'll do. Look at that shit. You beauty. Oh, that was good. In the words of Russell Coit, it's time to hit the road. We better have one last go at it, eh, boys? Nothing to see here, so move along. Alrighty, boys, that was a hell of a lot of fun, but I've got to give these keys back to the boys. Thanks again, Brent and the team, Sun City Harley in Townsville. Come and check out this bike. Come and check it out. Tell them the pig sent ya. It's a beast. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll catch you later.